Kupwara is a land where nature's raw beauty converts with an unstoppable spirit of resilience. This border district of Jammu and Kashmir, famed for its breathtaking Lola Valley and the attractive places like Bangas, Titwal, Tangdar, Mathil, and Kiran, is not only a visual treat for visitors but also a region steeped in strategic significance. Just 90 kilometers from Srinagar and lying adjacent to the POK area, Kupwara's rugged landscapes are brushed by the gentle flow of the Kishanganga River, nourishing fertile lands known for its walnut orchards, lush forests, and abundant fruit cultivation. Yet beneath its captivating landscapes lie formidable challenges. The district's rural heart is marked by a lower literacy rate and pockets of economic backwardness. In areas such as Tangdar, Keran, Matsal, and Badnambal, communities often find themselves cut off from the district headquarters during harsh winters when heavy snowfall chokes the mountain passes. The proximity to the line of control and the resulting border challenges have historically hampered infrastructural development, leaving these communities with limited cellular and road connectivity and with many centrally sponsored schemes struggling to reach every corner of the district. In the face of these hardships, the district administration has embraced a transformative vision. Under the Har Ghar Jal Yojana, modern water pipelines have been meticulously laid out to ensure that even the remotest households now enjoy a steady supply of clean, potable water.
जी आई पहली बार पानी आया है पहले ऐसा नहीं देखी जिंदगी पे पहली बार आई पानी आया
Parallelly, housing has been reimagined through the Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana in both its rural and urban incarnations, where dilapidated structures are steadily being replaced with safe, affordable homes, promising a dignified living environment for every family.
झोंपड़ियों में रहते थे, मिट्टी के मकानात थे, जब बारिश वगैरह होती थी तो अंदर पड़ती थी, टीन नहीं था, कोई अच्छी छत नहीं थी, तो हम बहुत मजबूर थे। गवर्नर साहब का, मोदी जी का शुक्र अदा करते हैं कि उन्होंने ये स्कीम 1,50,000 की निकाली, जिसकी वजह से हम अच्छे पक्के मकानात बना रहे हैं और इनमें रिहाइश अपनी कर रहे हैं।
Health has also seen a marked transformation. Through Mission Indradhanush, healthcare teams have ventured into every hamlet, ensuring comprehensive immunization for children and expectant mothers alike.
तेरी से आ रही है और हमारे गांव में लड़कियों 80 ईयर्स में जो होती है उनके नाम रजिस्टर लिखती है और जब फिर आती है हमको एक क्लास जैसे स्कूल में एक क्लास देते हैं वैसे वो भी देती है हमारे सेंटर में और सब कुछ बोलती है क्या है घर में कुछ प्रॉब्लम तो नहीं है या आपको कुछ प्रॉब्लम तो नहीं है। अगर होती किसी लड़की को प्रॉब्लम तो वो डॉक्टर भी आते हैं साल में दो बार ट्रीटमेंट के लिए आते हैं वहाँ पे।
The Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana has extended its protective umbrella, providing critical health insurance that makes quality medical care accessible even in the challenging terrain.
Tomato tenaz laina kahpon soiso, nalai kahpon stoi elajas, the nalai kah nakash toi nim hospital koi kah cheez. क्योंकि तुम कर में इलाज अखबारस मज ऑपरेशन कोरक दवा दितुक तमाम चीज़ करक कि युस स्कीम नरेंद्र मोदी बनमस यह गोल्डन कार्ड स्कीम यह गरीबन खत बेहतरीन स्कीम यह गस दह चालू रोज प्रत जाए गस हस्पताल मज आसनी।
Financial empowerment has been bolstered by the PM Swanidhi scheme, which extends much-needed loans to street vendors and those working in the informal sector, thereby nurturing small businesses and local entrepreneurship.
PM Swanidhi तहत यस कैसे में वो थे रेपस 8 यम से मे कह गुजार कोर तम पे गो कह टाइम तम पे तर 20,000 तम सो मे वारिया कह गुजार पे तर मे लास्ट 50,000 तम सो मे असल गुजार पन अयालस पकनो सोरे कैसे पकनो पन यम से वस बह ब्रो पकन।
Simultaneously, the Kisan Credit Card Scheme for farmers, animal husbandry and fisheries has opened avenues for local farmers to access credit, enabling them to adopt modern agricultural practices and boost production in animal husbandry and fisheries.
ये पूरा प्रोजेक्ट 5.5 लाख का आता है, उसमें मुझे डिपार्टमेंट ने 50% सब्सिडी भी दी। अब इस यूनिट से मैं सालाना 4 से 5 लाख रुपए कमाता हूं, जिससे मेरा घर अच्छे तरीके से चलता है। अब इस रेसवे ट्राउट से मेरी सालाना 1000 किलो मछलियां मार्केट को सेल आउट होती हैं। मेरे इस ट्राउट यूनिट से मैंने 2 और एम्प्लॉय को भी रोजगार दिया है, जिनका घर इसी से चलता है। उनकी रोटी रोजी भी इस ट्राउट से चलती है।
Local craftsmanship, a treasure of Kupwara's cultural heritage, is being rejuvenated through the PM Vishwakarma scheme, which provides vocational training and opens doors to self-employment opportunities.
हमने बहुत कुछ सीखा है, हमने दूसरों को भी सिखाया है। हम सोसाइटी बनाते हैं, हम 10 लड़की उसमें काम करते हैं। हम किसी का मोहताज नहीं रहते। पहले हम भाई के मोहताज, बाप के मोहताज, घर वालों के मोहताज रहे, तो आज हम खुद काम करते हैं। हाँ, बस शुक्रगुजार है इस सरकार का कि जिसने हमें ये सिखाया।
Early childhood care and nutrition have been given a fresh impetus through the Saksham Anganwadi and Poshan 2.0 programs, ensuring that even the youngest citizens receive the nourishment and care they need to build a brighter future. Furthermore, the PM Surya Ghar Muft Bijli Yojana has been instrumental in delivering free electricity.
ऐसा लोग सूर्य मुफ्त बिजली योजना के तहत लोग अब सोलर प्लांट 3 किलोवाट आए फर्स्ट फेज सब्सिडी 5,600 रुपये। अत मज बे लूकन अपील कर लूकन गुजारिश कर अगर तुम यसान तुम तक लगन अम बहरहाल फायदे अम बिजली जनरेट गड बिल कम गि।
Improved road networks, coupled with these technological enhancements, have enabled the district administration to execute these centrally sponsored schemes with renewed vigor and reach every nook and corner of Kupwara. In border areas, these schemes have made a transformative impact on everyday life. With Har Ghar Jal Yojana, every household now enjoys a steady supply of clean water, easing long-standing issues of scarcity. Under PM Surya Ghar Muft Bijli Yojana, free electricity brightens homes that once struggled with irregular power since 1947. While the Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana provides safe, affordable housing in areas that were previously marked by dilapidated structures. Health initiatives like Mission Indradhanush and PM Jan Arogya Yojana ensure that even the remotest communities have access to essential healthcare and complete immunization, reducing the vulnerability of those living on the edge. Together, these initiatives are not just enhancing infrastructure, they are empowering border communities to overcome challenges, improve quality of life, and unlock new economic potential. Today, Kupwara is emerging as a beacon of hope, a district where each drop of water, every spark of electricity, and every connection made through modern communication heralds a step towards progress. The tireless efforts of the district administration are turning age-old challenges into opportunities for growth, ensuring that every resident, regardless of how remote their home may be, experiences the transformative power of development. This is Kupwara, a land where natural splendor, strategic importance, and a human spirit, united in determination, are paving the way for a more connected and prosperous future.